Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make Bhagi Rice. There's many different ways you can make it. I'm gonna make it today like it's pilau, but we just add in the bhaji as the extra ingredients. These are the ingredients I'm using. I have the bhaji here, which is callaloo bush as well. It's diced into pieces. I don't use the stem, so you cut it up into small pieces. I have a piece of pumpkin, which is a cup of pumpkin. You cut into pieces as well. I have 1 tin of pigeon peas. You can use the fresh pigeon peas if you have. I have 1.5 cup of brown rice. We have here 3 tablespoons of green seasoning, bandania, onions, garlic and green onions. We have 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 pimento pepper diced into pieces, 1 habanero pepper, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And the chicken here, it's half of a chicken. It's just me and Chris eating today, so it's half, just a little bit I'm cooking. I'm gonna season the chicken now. Put the ketchup in. The salt. Soy sauce. And the green seasoning. Mix them all together. You can also put carrots if you want. If you like carrots, you can put carrots. Add a piece of sweet pepper. You know, it can make different tastes. So there we go. I'm gonna get the pot heated up. Put the oil in.
Yeah, we have Grace here waiting for food.
I believe the oil is hot enough. Let's see. No, it wasn't so hot enough, but it'll get hot. The sugar is caramelizing right now. We'll get a little more brown and then I will throw the chicken in. Okay, here we go. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna let it cook for a bit before I put the rice in. Okay, so I'll come back and put the rice in after about 5 minutes. So I wash the rice. I'm gonna toss it in now. I want the pumpkin to melt. So what I'm going to do, I'm also going to put the pumpkin in. Put the pumpkin, the pimento, and the habanero pepper. The peas in the tin is all already cooked halfway. So I'll put that in a bit. I'm going to heat up the water in the kettle, or if you don't have a kettle, you can boil some water in a pot to add after. So I didn't add any water yet. The water's spring from the chicken. I'm going to add the bhaji in. And also the peas. can also add salt butter if you want. This up now. Okay, I'm going to cover it, let it dry down a little bit, and then I'm going to put the water, add water onto it. See how nice the color of this thing is.
I like this. I like this.
Okay. Some people add coconut milk. I'm going to put one of these Maggi cubes in. All seasoned Maggi cubes. I don't like too much of the coconut milk, but you can add it if you want, a cup or whatever, how much you want to put in it according to how much bhaji rice you're making. I'm going to add some water was boiling in the kettle. Not much, just a little bit. That should be good enough. And give it a tune now. Let that cook for about 20 minutes. Look at that. It's boiling down nicely there. Pumpkin is melting. And the bhaji is going to melt nice as well. I bruise the pepper. See? Another 10 minutes and it should be okay. So as you can see, it's cooking out nicely here. So I need to add a little more water. I still have the kettle going. I'll add some more water in it. Let it cook. Come back and check it again in 5 minutes. So this is about 20 minutes. And look at that. Beautiful. The bhaji has melted away. So is the pumpkin. And the pigeon peas. You can add okra if you want. As well. You know, whatever you want to put in it. I like it simple like this. Nice. Some people like it dry. We like it like more sap. Yep. Alright, so after half an hour, it's done. They like it sappy, like this. It's beautiful. Take the stove off. We'll test some. So want to have a taste? Wonderful. Try this recipe, you will love it. Just for a change from pilau. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.